Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan documents on your Poco phone. To do it, you need to install an additional app. It can be any app, but I recommend you downloading the Adobe Scan app. So just go to the search in your Play Store and search for Adobe Scan, then install that. I can already open it, and then it'll ask you for logging in, so you should just sign in. You can sign in with Google, so it's pretty quick. Then click on the camera button right here. Now I'm gonna put this card or whatever and take a picture of it. It can be from a perspective, it can be slightly tilted. It doesn't make a difference, honestly, because this is what document scanning apps are for, so they can align. You can see it didn't detect it quite too well, so I can just change it. See, it shows me the preview right here, so I know where to put these dots exactly. I think that will be correct. Now let's click on Save PDF. You can see it has cropped it just like that, so it looks like it's actually scanned. It may ask you for like free trials or anything, but you don't need to have the premium subscription, so whenever it asks you that, you can just click on skip in top right corner. And now, since I have this PDF file here, I can click on, for example, share to send a copy. So here at the top you'll send a link, but I want to send a copy, so let's click on send a copy. Then it will show you the ways to share it. So you can, for example, send it via Gmail to someone. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.